I will show to you different trading strategy where we will use completely different type of trading compared to other people, where we are going to analyze DOM footprint. By using these beautiful numbers, we will make trading decision. These numbers gives to us understanding where whales buy and sell their coins, and so often it gives to us really accurate entry points. In addition, to those of you that will watch till the end, I will share with you our two major patterns that we use according to the strategy, that in the future you'll be able to also to trade by using this strategy. That's why at this moment, friends, just write few words about yourself, a few words about audio quality, and once more what will be a structure of this stream. Firstly, 1-2 minutes, it is just to meet with you, to introduce yourself, and for you to write your words about yourself. Afterwards, we are going to do analysis of top coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and other major coins. If there would be good trade situations, I will take a trade exactly, and I will explain to you why we took that trade. Also, during that live stream, we will analyze some trades that we did before for education purpose. And also during the live you can ask questions in chat section, and I personally will reply to you. That's why let's start from first. Write few words about yourself. Write please few words about yourself, and write few words about audio quality. That's really important. Okay, let me open this stream on another video. Okay, let's open I would like to open the stream on another video to read all your comments. Good. Chat. I have here. Good. Good. I have a chat. Friends, also share with me. Should I show a chat here on the screen, or it's enough to? Just for me to read, and you will see by yourself what comments I read. Before we start, a few words I remind to our people that we just started. Okay. Few seconds, my dear. I'm sending that we started. Okay, good. I sent Pasha, здоров. Hello, Pasha. Tell me about English and about understanding your English. Okay, let's start. Let's start our analysis. Firstly, I read all your comments, friends, and after that we go to trades that we have at this moment and reasons why we would like to take some trades. At this moment, what I'm going to do, I would make my picture smaller because I would like you to see exactly what's going on. Oh my God. Each place of the chart important. I would make my picture here top because volume below really important for us, and we will read that volume in the future. Okay. Good. I see that people is coming. Okay. Pash, 60-70% is good. You just need to have bigger vocabulary, and that would be much easier for you. Okay, guys, a few words. I read few comments and let's go to coins analysis. Hello from Jamaica, Vanaba. Hello, my friend. Let's read comments here. This comment section. Looks sound great. Bradwick, thank you. When bull run time's coming? As soon as Fed finish Q10. Hello from the Netherlands, VAE7. Hello, my friend. I like your country. Ken from Illinois, US. Mostly do small under 1 hour trades. Awesome. Kevin, Ken, tell me, are you first time here or you saw before our live streams? Also, friends, write more, please, about are you first time here or you saw our streams before. And also, there would be 2 questions for a start reply on the first question, and after that I will ask you another. I'm Ismail from Turkey. I'm with Yuri more than a year. I learned a lot from you. Many thanks, Ismail. Thank you for following. Thank you for being here. Is this a Tiger Trade platform? Answer: no, it's another platform. It is a free platform. This platform, it is another one. It is completely free platform for crypto, where you can see DOM and footprint. And at this moment, we testing this platform, and people that develop this platform from my city, and maybe we will do some partnership, and that's why I test this platform. If this platform would be really good, after a test, we will move completely to this platform. At this moment, I use both of them. That's why it's okay. Ein Bruno, first time. Friends, those of you that first time here, tell me, what are you looking for? Are you came here for signals? Because if you came for signals, I promise to you that soon we'll analyze crypto coins, and I will give you a few signals that we can trade like today. Hi, I'm Ever from Nigeria. This is my first time live with you, but I have been following you for a few months ago. Happy to help. I'm following you for some time. I watched a few streams. Awesome. I stayed in Kiev for 5 years. My friend, Kiev, beautiful. Thank you, sir, about AVAX USDTP. You're welcome. I'm thinking ETH will go down. Love from Bangladesh. Love from Ukraine. Okay, good. Guys, once more, write, are you first time here? Or if you were here before, write please what's the most attractive part of the stream. Okay, as I promised to you, we do some small meeting, we do small talk, and after that let's go to analysis of major coins. Okay, I would like to do my picture a little bit smaller. Maybe I would do it here. A little bit smaller because I think charts, it is the most important stuff. I know that many of you who came here to this such kind of live streams, your major task is to find awesome trades that we can trade and make money on this. And let's start from BTC analysis. Let's start from a pure screen. At this moment, we have open trade on BTC, but before I will tell you about our open trades, I would like you to explain why we took those trades and what potentially could be. We start BTC, and after that we go, here is the list: BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, Ethereum Classic, and we also take BNB. About other coins, depends will I have mood or not. If you will do a lot of likes on this stream, I'll do more coins. Okay, let's start from basics. Before you do analysis, before you do any analysis on a crypto, always start from a bigger time frame, because only bigger time frame gives you understanding what's going on a huge time scales, because whales work mostly on a bigger time scales. And at this moment, Bitcoin in the middle of this range. What does this mean for us? It means that price could be in this range still price could be in this range a long period of time. That means in this range, better to do scalping trades than buy some coin and keep it for 20-30%. Chances that the coin would rise or drop by 10-20% in such range really small. Just remember that. About BTC, at this moment, what happened with BTC? Yesterday, BTC did a fake breakdown of this important local level. And today, really huge volume traded at 18,000 area. Let me show it to you. In our free Telegram channel, I sent this screenshot, and I warned people that really huge volume entered. By the way, those people that understand how to read DOM, they saw that I entered a trade at 19,000. I entered long. And have a look at that area, 19,020, significant volume traded, really huge volume traded. How many of you saw this stuff? How many of you saw at least before these things? If you didn't saw this thing ever before, type 2. If you saw it and you know what is it, type 1. It's important. Why it's so important? Because if you came here for this stream, you need to know basics softs that we use for making trades. Can it be exchanges doing it? Guys, be more active. I see that quite a lot of people here. Let's make a deal. I ask a question, just type. Just type. That's really important because you give feedback. I understand that this stream is important for you because I can do even more streams, like once per week, but I need to see that it's really matter for you. If it's matter for you, we will deliver because we love our audience and we want to make your way to your financial freedom in trading as easiest as possible. Okay, guys. Those of you that type 1, few seconds, I think for you it will be okay if I explain to those people. I will do it really fast. About this stuff, what does this stuff shows to you? It shows to you next data. It shows to you next information. This part of this screenshot, this part, darker, it calls footprint. Why it calls footprint? Because it exactly shows to you volumes that traded. Why this tool is really powerful? Because quite often, I will show you several examples, when you see significant volume, someone bought a lot of coins, that would be one of the greatest signals to enter a trade. Like you see real whales. It is not some fancy indicators, it's real money. Like at this price, at 19,020, someone traded 1,323 bitcoins. It's a lot. At such small price, it's really a lot. This part of this stuff, whiter, it calls DOM. It shows to us limit orders, like this. Someone set a limit order, 143 coins to buy or sell, depends the price at that time, at this. That's it. I don't want to speak about this stuff really a lot. Below this video, below the streams, there would be 3 videos. DOM and footprint explain, short lesson, only 5 minutes. You definitely watch after the stream, and that will give you understanding about all of this. Okay. Okay, about BTC. Come back. All of you now understand what we are talking about. Someone bought quite big amount of BTC exactly at this area, 19,000. It was exactly here. Also, a big amount of coins were traded exactly here. If Bitcoin, after this significant volume that entered in this area, if Bitcoin, let me build even this stuff, volume profile. Okay. Here. should analyze even this one candle. Sometimes if you need any proof where biggest volume traded, you can take smallest candle, for example 1 minute candle, and you can build this stuff that calls volume profile, and you can see exactly where biggest volume traded. That's really important. Okay, what we have on BTC. First, we have significant volume traded at 19,000, and price, what price did this beautiful pullback. That's really good for us. What else? When you do analysis, what else do we see? We see this beautiful potential trendline breakup pattern. We see that price did this fake breakdown, and they took stop losses of buyers that hide below this level. That means potentially, if price squeezed to this trend line, there could be breakup. That's that's what we understand by using all of this analysis. That's a reason, by the way, why we took a long trade with our community. Have a look, like with our community, I sent here BTC trade. Exactly after that down drop, we took a trade, and I sent to our community members that we took long. Based on all of this significant volume. And at this moment, let me show to you, I have opened long trade on BTC. I have several long trades, like my average long price at this moment, 19,045. It is on major account. Also, I have other accounts that I manage, and we also entered here nearly at the same price, because we were a little bit late. And stop losses at this moment really tight, because it is scalping, and if price really bounce from that size, there could be really significant movement. Okay, let me show. Let me check what's going on ETH, because at this moment I see significant volume on ETH, but would that significant volume really played out? Okay. Guys, share with me, do you like when I do such deep analysis for you, or we should just go to signals? Type 1 if we should go to signals only. Type 5 if it's okay to when I explain to you such deeply. 1 signals only. Type 5 if it's okay when I go to deeply explain to you all of this stuff. Oh, awesome. Crypto enthusiast only need the signals. I like crypto enthusiastic people. They really believe in crypto. About entry price on BTC, man, in our free signals channel, have a look. Here you can see all the data. I even shared with people my entry price. It is 19,022, my average entry, long entry. About this channel, guys and girls, we have free channel. This one. Below this video in description, you will find these 3 alerts. With my team, we share trade ideas and trades that we take. We do not share here stop losses and take profits, because stop losses, take profits we share only with our community members, with people that buy signals from us. But still, if you know how to handle this stuff, it helps you a lot, because many situations when price exactly after our idea just skyrocketed or did significant movements. That's why definitely be here, because you pay nothing, but you see how our ideas played out. Okay, about BTC once more. We took long trade on BTC. At this moment, my average price 19,045. volume 1.55 BTC. Okay. About this trade, I saw that many of you wrote 5. Only crypto enthusiast wrote 1, and that gamer. Guys, remember to push like on this video because it's important. When you do it, it shows to more people on YouTube, because YouTube likes when people that watch the content, they enjoy, they push like, subscribes, and that's important for us. Just like, it's nothing for you. If you see value in what I do for you, just push like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, about BTC, let's go on. We should continue to our analysis. Once more, come back to the scale. In this scale, BTC is still in the middle of this channel. That means even this idea, like if we divide our ideas by score, like A ideas, it is the best ideas, like this one. A ideas, B ideas, and C ideas. Based on what type idea we trade, I use different kind of volume. Like here I use my risk per trade 100 USD. Here I use risk per trade 300 USD, and here I use risk per trade 25, sometimes 50 USD. I classify my trade ideas based on their power and win rate, because A-type ideas happens several times per month, maybe 2, 3, 4 times, but win rates could be 90% and potential reward in many times bigger. That's why here you on such ideas you should bet bigger amount. Average idea, it's like this one. We have some volume at bottom, we have volume that enter a market, but still BTC in the middle of a range. That means it is not a idea. And when you open a trade here, do not like, if example, if you risk per trade, in this case, for example, 1%, in this case, your risk per trade could be 3%, in this case, 0.5. Like at this moment, it is this case. It is not the greatest idea that I saw. That's why do not put all your entire capital into BTC. Okay, let's, we just did, we summarized that we took a long on BTC. Stop loss you can set below this tail, and let's see what is going to happen. Why I think even if this downtrend continues, still we can take at this moment local buy, because so many times volume entered exactly at bottom, so many times. That means so many people that bought, for example, you buy here, your stop loss taken, you buy here, your stop loss taken, you buy here, your stop loss taken. That means so many buyers were slaughtered. And even if price have desire to go down more, before they should do some local rise to take stop losses of short sellers. That's the reason why we take this trade, because of this so big volume at bottom so many times. Plus this volume at 19,000. That means we can do it. We do not bet here really huge amount, only because it is not in a proper place. That's it. If this idea would be in a proper place, we could add a much bigger volume. If I were a trade, we will cover together when we will do trade analysis in community. We will cover together type of trades A, B, and C, because it is a stuff that's really important to use. and I'll show you several examples of A, B, and C. Honestly, during previous like 30 days, I only saw 2 situations that I can call A. 2 situations. One of them I took. Second, I after when BTC took my stop losses, I was so sad, and I saw it, but I didn't take it. But I will show you examples, and we definitely need to follow such A situations, because it is a time when we really can make significant money. Okay, guys. At this moment, how many of you took long on BTC? Because I see that some of you that came here is the members of this channel. How many of you are members of this BikoTrading Signals channel? Write 1 if you are a member. Because about BTC, this BTC significant volume, I sent this at 3:43 p.m. At this moment, it is 7:58 p.m. Like nearly 4 hours, 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. That's the reason why you should be here, my friends. Remember, okay. Good. Remind to you how to join the channel. It is completely free channel, free alerts. I sent you just link into a chat. Just follow the channel. That's it. Now I understand why there is a problems. Uno momento. Now I understand why I send some links and there is no links. I just sent to you this link. Follow the channel completely for free. Also, platforms that I use, guys, platforms that I use, it is you can download for free, because with founders of that platform, we at this moment working, because there are one indicator that I'll show to you within a few minutes that we are developing. And that indicator will be available only for people that download platform by our link. Like for you, it is no additional fees. That's it. You pay no fees. Maybe in the future they will pay to us some fees that exchanges share with them. That's it. It's like it's a fair trade. You pay nothing, but they maintain software, improve it. Like it's best bargains that you ever can find. Okay, about BTC. Come back to BTC. About another potential trade, guys, at this moment, type 7, those of you that already entered BTC trade. Does this platform works on iOS? Friend, honestly, iOS is shit for trading. Because so many platforms that I use a lot of platforms. Honestly, I have Tiger Trade. I have this one. I have other platforms like 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 platforms on my PC downloaded at this moment, and none of them really works on macOS. That's why none of them work really on macOS. That's the reason why, by the way, I didn't buy macOS for myself, and I work only with Windows. Man, for crypto, it is for free. For crypto, it's for free. Okay, guys. Type into a chat 7 if you took BTC trade, and let's go to another trade. 7 if you took BTC trade. Don't you afraid today's news? Powell lose companies reports, bank reports, etc. Guys, if whales build a position they will move the price, and it doesn't matter what news ahead. I saw many times when there were good news but price spiked. I saw during bad news when price spiked. I saw when during good news price tanked. I saw when during good like I saw many times different stuff, because I were working in a FX broker for 1 year and we traded news so many times. News impact a market only in a case if it was as expected. If something really huge happened and unexpected. Only in that case really would be a huge shift. But in a case if market were preparing for it, market knew it, like there are Goldman Sachs. Like imagine there are a lot of, think about this, a lot of firms in the world like this one, Goldman Sachs. Total assets 1.5 trillions. They have one of the biggest trading desk on the planet. And do you think they don't have access to this data, something like that? Do you think they don't pay to politicians to receive some info, maybe some release, something like that? Do you think they cannot pay a few millions per year to get such data? Of course they do it. They have first data. And when whales know something, you see it in a price. Remember one golden rule, that everything is in a price. Only one exception, something huge and unexpected. That's it. So it's all about whales. Of course it's about whales. Did you see how much money is under Goldman Sachs management? Of course it's about whales, because they control the market. That's how all of this built. Okay, interesting information. Okay, good. I see that some of you took BTC trade, but not a lot of people, guys. Okay, you don't like to share info about you. It's up for you what to do. Okay, let's go to other coins. Like at this moment, we have this basic plan that this volumes that entered here on BTC and all of these volumes that entered here can move price of BTC higher. In a case if we remember that we can be wrong, and it is part of this business. We set stop losses. My stop loss at this moment on Bitcoin, where is it, BTC? Uno momento, signore. Got it in 1965. Good. 1965, it's a quite good entry for Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to another coin. At this moment, there are another coins that potentially could give to us good entry idea. And that coin is update now. Let's go to, while it's updating, let's go to another coin. Okay. Another coin, it is Ethereum. Ethereum, it is like a swan brother of BTC. What's going on, by the way, at this moment on Ethereum? Globally, Ethereum as BTC in the middle of this range, globally. That's a problem for us, because in such range, honestly, my friends, in such range, it is not the best time to do some trades, because in such range, best what we can do is to wait for some traps, like it was like this one trap, this trap, when there are some stop loss hunting, like this one. By the way, Ivalo, A trades, they also bait on a traps, on really huge traps. Okay, about ETH. Price at this moment in the middle of this channel. Price at this moment in the middle of this channel. Do you have some stop loss hands? Like in this channel, honestly, to take a trade, best where we can take a trade after such stop loss hands, like it was here, like it was here. At this moment, we didn't have stop loss hand. And what we faced, some significant volume increase at bottom, like here, here, and here, and here, and here. At this moment, do you see that volume increase and lows become higher and higher? There could be some potential rise, but I do not expect bigger rise than to this area because if really weak, I think at this moment there could be some local rise only to take stop losses of short sellers to drop ETH really more. Really good area to take long on ETH, it is below this range. If, for example, price of ETH can do something like this. Price makes some bull trap, take stop losses into this area or even retest this area. After that drops really below, and only after that there could be some significant rise. That's why about ETH at this moment, what we can do, we can take some scalp long on Ethereum, but this one I would call even a C trade. Like we have A, B, C, it is really C trade. Because we don't have clear trend direction, we didn't have any kind of reload, we didn't have any significant stop loss hands. It just, yes, some small volume entered, but it wasn't ridiculously high volume that could change destiny of ETH. That's why at this moment it's possible to take local long, but do not take that long on really huge amount of money. Okay, let's take some long on Ethereum at this moment. About Ethereum, there were also additional confirmations that I sent to all channel members, community members. Like such stuff I send entirely for free. In our private channel, I share more updates, like this one. When I sent, I told people that they should consider to taking long, because have a look, friends. Have a look what's going on. At this price, 1,291, 17,000 Ethereum traded, 16,000, 8,000, 11, 10, 11, 11, 12. It's really huge amount of BTC traded. Only in this 5-minute candle, it was 5 or 15, 15-minute candle traded 384,000 of Ethereum. And that was a place where price stopped. That means it was really stopped volume that stopped the price. And at this moment, there could be some even local rise. That's why what we are going to do, we are going to take some long trade on Ethereum. Okay. Let's take some local long trade on Ethereum. Okay. Connect. Okay, let's take. How many of you will take Ethereum trade with me at this moment? Local long scalp. Local. A nice short will happen if, especially after some stop loss hunt. We need, for me personally, to take short, I need some stop loss hunt to take short. If stop loss hunt happens on Ethereum, I immediately take short really happily. But at this moment, it is. You do not take short on Ethereum when you see something like this. Biggest volume at bottom, biggest volume at bottom. so many times biggest volume at bottom, and price started to rising slowly. It is a place where you take a trade. Better to take local long than short. Okay, where biggest volume traded? Let me check. I would like to set stop loss below biggest volume. Also, in the future, such biggest volume you can use as a place of protection and set stop loss exactly below such biggest volume, because like this, have a look how this volume become a support and bounce price higher. At this moment, our stop loss can be at 1087. If you take Ethereum trade, 1287 is the place where we can set a stop loss. What will be our risk? Okay. Okay, let's take Ethereum trade. 14 ETH. My dear Ethereum, what's going on? Why didn't take a trade? Okay, let me check. Maybe there's some mistake. Why I cannot take one trade on Ethereum? Okay, but why I don't see this order? What's going on? Some problem with the platform, guys. I need to. Sometimes with such platforms, there could be a lot of funny stuff. Ah, finally, good. Let me. I took a trade on ETH. Good. Finally, I took a trade on Ethereum. Okay, let me move it into your left side. We took at this moment, guys, a long trade on ETH. I set a stop loss. Remember what we told you to set stop loss below the significant size. It is exactly at 1287. Below that significant size, we can set 8087, like 56. Good. And let's open to another account, because as you know, I have a challenge where I try to turn $100 into 10,000 within 100 days. And on that account at this moment I have risk per trade 5 USD, and let's try on that account also to take a trade. File connections. $0.70, 900 USD at this moment. Okay, let's take a trade. 0.70. 0.70. And set stop loss 87. About take profit, let's set 2%, 1 to 4 risk reward. We don't need honestly more. If you are lucky, like maximum take profit could be above this local high, like this stop losses. like here. There's no reason to set at this moment even bigger take profit, because even if price reaches that area, it would be 1 to 6 risk reward, and it is not a place where we can hold a trade really for a long period of time. Okay. How many of you took this trade with me? Type 3 into a chat that you also took this trade with me, because sometimes difficult to focus when you have a trade. Okay, we took BTC trade and we took ETH trade. Honestly, at this moment, there is no global reason to take any other trade, because they both too much correlated, and let's cover some other ideas, but globally there is no big reason just to take a trade, because once more, correlation too big to... If you take additional trade at this moment, we just increase our risk, and we don't need increasing our risk in all of this stuff. Okay, free. Good. Guys, remember that I didn't tell you that such trades, it is a guarantee. I also set stop losses, like at this moment, have a look on my BTC trade. I also have stop loss on every trade. I have risk in each trade calculated. That means we don't play into a game like it is 100% guarantee, something like that. Just know it, and I have only one request. I have only one request when you do this stuff. Calculate your risk properly, because when there would be really powerful 8 trades, I would tell you. It is not the greatest pattern that I saw in my life. Just remember that stuff. Not more than 1% risk in your trade. About if 95. You wanna take a trade if it breaks this local level, yeah? It also makes sense. It makes sense. Additional reason why we took it, because first, we have significant volume here, here, and here. And at this moment, price exactly retested VWAP, like that's a good place to enter a trade for continue for additional rise. Okay, let's read, friends, let's read some of your comments. Let's read some of your comments. I remind to you that in our channel, you can go to our channel, and there would be a whole playlist, guys. Scalping by DOM and footprint, like what is a footprint, what is DOM, trading strategies that we use, how to do scalping, secret stuff in DOM, record of our previous stream session. All of this stuff, if you first time here, just open this playlist, start from this lesson and go step by step. It takes time, but this stuff completely for free. Okay, we did Ethereum and BTC. Okay, we did Ethereum and BTC. Let me do this stuff. At this moment, I just type because I send signal to people that stop loss. Where is it? Stop loss. And take profit 1,000 free. 1,000 free. I also we also have a channel. We open a channel where we share signals that we take with people, and share it with those people, such signals. Because sometimes I know that many of you, when you come to trading, you will understand soon that you don't need all of this stuff learning, because it is not for you. And like, there are some ways how you, like, many of you come to make money, and for many of you it would be easy to use signals. That's why we at this moment creating such service that it would be really a high level of accuracy trades that we will share with our people. And if you would like to get such stuff for you, below this video there would be this one, get access to our private community, into private signals. If you are interested in our services, fill the form, use below this video this only one link, BikoPrivate, and fill this form. My team will write to you by using email, because there are a lot of scammers. Only use such form if you would like to join our service. Okay, let's go on to let's go on to some other coins to analyze. Okay, friends, at this moment I'm going to start replying to your questions. Let's go on. First question, appreciations do stuff. ATAS F3 just for a test period. Platform that I use, this platform that we are testing right now, 100% free for crypto at this moment. It is for free. When you will see messages like your test period is ended, something like that, it is for other, like at this moment for me, like upgrade platform. Because I didn't buy any license, because I use free license, and all of you also can use this stuff. That's the reason why we analyze this platform, working with this platform, because in the future there's a big chance that we will work with this platform, and like, it's really awesome free platform, and I would be happy if all of this stuff would be working really good and you will enjoy, because we learning this platform only because I want to make it really good stuff for you, because there are a lot of platforms, and like for each platform you need to pay, like this one 1 year 479 euro. I would be happy if you would save it and still receive really awesome platform. Okay, as RI. Is the risk 1% of your entire balance or just 1% of your trade position? Your entire balance. If you have on your account, like you have $10,000 on your account, 1% out of 10,000, it is 100 USD. That maximum risk that you can have. If you trade A, B, C trades, if you trade B trade, maximum it must be 100 USD. Maximum. Better if that would be even less. Because sometimes I read comments when people write, I put into risk on this trade like 5%. But oh my God, it is really shitty trade. Why did you do it? There is no edge, there is no potential reward, there is no significant volume that entered. Why you put like really big percent of your capital? You enter big percent of your capital only in a case if you have really huge potential trade. That's it. In all other cases, you use smaller size. That's it. I know some traders, they have, normally they divide their trades by 3 parts, A, B, C, and they do like this one, 1%, 0.5%, and 3%. And when you have really awesome period, you can have like here 1%, and here you can have like 7%. And here still you can have half. Or here you can have 2. When you book really good profit and you in a good period for your trading. Depends in what what is current situation for you. Because sometimes, as you know, there's more luck, sometimes there's less luck, still. Okay, what's going on with BTC? BTC really calm. It looks like there could be additional range for a big period of time before any kind of breakup. Let's cover other coins with you, friends. At this moment, type into a chat what type of coins should I analyze. How would you select a stop loss price? There are a lot of ways how you can set a stop loss price, but never set below previous low. Because what's the problem when you set stop loss exactly below previous low? There could be some slippage. When price hit previous lows, there could be really big slippage. Normally, I set before previous low, or like today. I like to set sometimes stop losses below significant volume, like today. On Ethereum, we have significant volume exactly in this area, and we set stop loss below that area here. And if this area really powerful, like this one, price bounces from that area. Because if price breaks that area, that could be like this one, go on. And there is no reason to keep more that trade. Ah, fuck. BTC is still in a range. My friend, below the stream, there are this link to a platform, free platform for dominant footprint. Okay, let me share with you that link. Again, free DOM platform. This one. Free DOM platform, just download by this link. Remember that it is for Windows only, and I recorded some tutorial, like every week I'll record some tutorials, because they are a part for DOMs, a part for trading. Like every time when I will find good ideas, I will record a tutorial to this platform. Also, they have good kind support. You can write to their support and ask for any help. Honestly, At this moment I see that you can use it even instead of trading you, because for trading you, for really good trading you need to pay money, and you don't need to have, like, my dream to have one platform for everything. Okay, BTC below VWAP, I don't like it. Can you read a free service for statistic, please? Flipper, what do you mean read free service for statistic? Okay. Okay, guys, go on. BTC in a range. Like at this moment, let's see will our idea played out or not. What else do we have here? Let's go on and analyze other major coins. Okay, let's cover firstly, it is a BNB. This significant volume happened during a period when someone stole money from BNB Foundation. Have a look. When some of you ask me, Yuri, what is the best place to buy a coin and keep for a longer period of time? When it, like this one, when it reaches some important area, only from such areas it's possible to keep it for bigger period of time. About BNB at this moment, it is still in this downward trend, local downward trend, and only one thing that could break this trend, it is if BTC would start this rise at this moment. That's it. There is no other reasons why this coin could rise. Volume at bottom, it's yes, but still there is no some squeezing, there is no significant volume, there is nothing like that. That means I don't like this coin to trade at this moment. What would be really good if there also would be some kind of, for example, breakdown of this level, and after that we could take some trade for long. Because globally, again, it is also in this big channel. To take short, there should be some pullback to this area 280. From this area, I would be really happy to take some additional short, but not at this moment, because there's nothing for a trade for us. Okay, what's going on? BTC below VWAP, not good. That's not good. That's not good, because there's a chance that Ethereum would reach stop loss, because stop loss on Ethereum really is so tight. Flipper, can you tell me what do you mean? I do not understand you. Read, write, what exactly? Friends, remind you to push like on this stream. If you enjoy what we do, we will help you to build your way to financial freedom in trading. Subscribe to this channel. You'll find many lessons that will accelerate your way, how to do proper trading, how to learn all of these platforms that will help you analyze market like a whale. That's why just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, especially if you enjoy what we do. Okay. What? You would go down, BTC? Sadly. It's really strange for me. Okay, let's go to analyze other coins. Solana at this moment, what's going on? About Sol, guys, also in the middle of this channel, from my point of view, Sol is going to break down this channel down because price tried to rise several times, each time failed. And from my point of view, Solana, if there would be a retest of, for example, like this level, 32, something like that, it could be a good place to take short. Because globally, it looks that Solana is going to drop more. There is no volume. There is no supporting volume like it was here. And if price continues squeezing, that could be a really good signal to take short. From my point of view, for Solana, best areas for short, it is this one. We should set alert here. And also pay attention to this one. Just to take short, because you want to take short, I don't like such ideas. Better to take short if there would be some significant volume that would enter, something like this. Like this one, have a look. This beautiful trap and poof. We need something like this on Solana to take a trade. Okay, let's go on. XRP. Locally, XRP did this local rise because here was significant volume, and XRP did that stuff. About XRP, I think about some potential drop. XRP rose really a lot, and a really good place for taking short it is at this level, 51. Or if XRP squeezed down to this 47.99. It's actually 48 level. It's BTC is playing a game with us. BTC at this moment playing a game with us, and that's really difficult. Because without clear direction on BTC, many coins can do whatever they want. But for clear and beautiful rise, we need squeezing on BTC, we need BTC breakup. Only that would break all other trends. Okay, finally I understood, Filippo. Filippo, service for statistics to see your progress, the best service on the planet, it is this one. It is this one. They have free version, they have free entire version, and it's up for you to use it or not. Okay, maybe there is some shortcut that I can. Like this one, trader make money. Тарас, hello, героям слава. VAE7, no change for BTC, still trading in 200 USD range with no clear direction. At this moment there is no clear direction, but open bigger time frame. On a bigger time frame we analyze BTC on a bigger time frame like this one. When you take at least 4-hour time frame, there potentially some momentum for local rise, because during this drop several times significant volume appeared exactly at bottom, and there could be some local rise to take stop losses of short sellers. That's it. And price reached this local level where a lot of buyers hide their stop losses, and even this relow approve it because of this significant volume. That's a reason why there could be potential rise. But at this moment, like exactly at this moment, BTC in this range and nothing go on. And BTC even do really bad stuff for us. BTC breaking down a VWAP, and that's not good for us. Because if BTC would not squeeze up, that would be really bad. That would be a stop loss. And stop loss means no money for me. It's not really funny. No funny, no honey. Nothing interesting at this moment. Okay, we covered Solana at pullback, some short, Ripple also short. GMT, this coin is going like to, I think it is next scam. I think this coin is going to scam. I was so mistaken when I told that this could be potential new Axie Infinity. Have a look what's going on every time. During every pump, volume increase, and what happens after that? Massive drop. Pumped, volume increased, massive drop. That means this coin you should trade only down, and any like this one, trend line breakup, deep pullback, anything like this, it is must be opportunity for you to take short, because I think this coin is going to die. But sometimes that would be always set stop loss, because sometimes that would be like this one, spikes. Better to take short trades after such spikes. When you see that like spike happened, you should cover 4-hour time frame, something like that. When you see that spike happened and finally price creates some range from this area, so it's time to consider taking short, because this one is going to die. They even fired many workers and something like that. Without bull market, such project like this one is going to die. Like scam a lot. Ethereum Classic got pumped before ETH merge, and at this moment just down, and I think they can even retest all of this pump. During every deep pullback, just take short. Even before this drop, Ethereum Classic showed to us that there could be potential short, because have a look what price did. Stop loss hunt, again stop loss hunt. That's example for you. Ivilo, if you're still here, when you understand the trend, when you see a trap, and when you have significant volume, that's a condition for a pattern. That's a condition. Ivilo, if you're still here, I hope it's understandable for you. Okay, guys, let's see what is going to happen, because if Bitcoin, there would be no move next 15 minutes, I just close BTC trade or just go to sleep. Okay, economical calendar, maybe because there must be some talks. When that guy talk? Form meeting minute. Maybe because of this we don't have any significant movement. Taras, I agree with you that they wait for that volatility for that. Ricky was it's free for crypto forever. The Monkey Spark, I had opened short on ETH at $1,303. And when did you do it? Because that happened. You opened it way before our stream. The Monkey Spark, heads up, form minute due 15 minutes. Yes, I can see. At this moment, guys, let's see what is going to happen, how market will react on this stuff. Economical calendar. I think within 12 minutes there would be some volatility because of this. Market really calm, really calm. I see that it even too much calm. Let's see how it played out. Guys, guys and girls, money, my friend. At this moment it is 8:48 p.m. in my country. A little bit hard to read after whole entire working day plus additional hours. I hope it's okay for you. Filippo, what do you think about TLM, Alan Words? About TLM, let's cover TLM. When you do analysis of every coin, like we have options, we can do really deep analysis, deep analysis, and we can do some really short analysis. Deep analysis, it is when you start from token sale, because why is this stuff is so important for you? Because you can see at what prices whales bought coins. Whales bought TLM, is it Allen Worlds, at 0021. Oh shit. Oh shit. They bought at 0021. Is it real price or not? Binance Labs, by the way, invested. Harmonica Brands. They bought really cheap. At this moment, current price of this coin, Allen Words TLM. Like it was at maximum, it was even at 86 cents. What's the problem with such project? Everything depends on its real fundamental value at this moment. And honestly, I'm not a fundamental analyst. It is not my real powerful side. It's not what I can. What is this? This is very beginning. You have made way through all available. Okay, good. At this moment, this coin get down by 96%, and honestly, it could be not end of the story. There could be even more. Imagine funds that bought this coin at 0021. On top, there was 636x, 445x. You invest $1 and you make $445. I think whales that invested into this coin at such prices, they already get out during pump, any of these pumps, I think here, here, or here they get out. And at this moment, they don't care what will be with these coins anymore. That's my point of view about this project. That's it. That means what we can do at this moment. If you understand fundamental value of this project, if you understand that they really make money, they're really profitable, they're really good, they have a future, it could be a really good time to accumulate these coins. But only in a case if you understand fundamental value. If you don't understand this fundamental value, don't do it, because many projects will not survive winter, and many projects, believe me, there would be no way up, and they would be only down, and there would be a lot of delistings on Binance really in future. You will see it. That's why it depends, Filippo. It's good price if it is not it's good price if they are not a scam. Currently price is good if they are not a scam. Okay, let's see. 6 minutes. Okay, let's see on reaction. If there would be some reaction, we stay. If they hit my stop losses, I close a trade. If price started rising and moves into our favor, we are going to sit additional like half hour, something like that. That's why if you like just plan it properly, if you stay here, we just need to see a reaction, how price would react on this, because significant volume entered. If whales really powerful, there should be some local rise here. If there would be no reactions, that means we'll go out. You should definitely stay here because TLM, Yarek, здорово, Yarek. TLM is nice for farming now, not to trade. Yeah, for trade it's nearly dead at this moment. Biko, check MICD 1 hour if the money spark, my friend. I don't understand how MICD works. I do not pretend that some indicators better, someone's not best. I just want to tell you that I don't have plan and desire learn each indicator on a planet. For me, the most important only money flow indicators. And MICD, it is not money flow indicators, that's it. I don't understand how to implement it, and that's the reason why I don't use it. That's it. If that would be a money flow indicator like volume profile, H bar, let's cover what's going on H bar. Algo CTC bow, there is no H bar. Still there is no H bar here. H bar USDT. Let's check this one, H bar USDT. I hope it's right symbol. Volume increased 2 billions. Really huge. As for daily, they pumped this coin. What's the biggest problem in such coins? Have a look. Pump it, dump it, and could be the same, pump and dump. I like to buy coins when there's significant volume at bottom, not at high, because at this moment, have a look. They could be like this one. They could pump a coin on news, on listing, and after that dump it. That's why I don't like something like this. Okay, let's see, guys. Within 3 minutes, I hope that would be, if that would be drop, worst what can happen, it is a slippage. I hope there would be no slippage. That's the worst stuff that could happen to us. In a case if price moves into our favor, there must be everything is good. There must be everything good. Okay, I set everywhere stop losses. 2 minutes. Volatility should increase if news really important. Okay. Yarek, I will cover EGLD after Fed, because at this moment everything depends what will happen with BTC. Because if BTC at this moment drops during the news, all other stuff means nothing to us, because Okay, let's see, friends. 2 minutes. Two minutes is coming. One minute, my friend. Let's see, will volatility increase? Let's open 1 minute time frame and also open lower footprint charts for BTC to see exactly what's going on at this moment. Guys, we don't need 27th of September. Best time, guys, are you here? Best time I chose. Guys, I hope all of you can see me, because I see that my restream everything connected back. And some person will ask me, why do you hate Russians? It's difficult to explain all these emotions. I have a system that keep my computer still active if there are some problems with electricity, but still they internet losing. We're losing internet. Okay, guys, come back. We are here. We came back. I see that nearly 30 people lived. The money spark is in Poland now, my friend. I'm close to Poland, but no, not in Poland. Maxim, usually electricity lost for a couple of hours unless he has a generator. Maxim, we have a system that keep computer alive for 1 hour if there is no electricity. That's why that's easy for me in this case. Because I work from personal computer, I have especially for scalping, and such personal computer is important for me because in other cases it's impossible to scalp. Okay, what we have at this moment, finally we have some volatility. Price reaction on the news, not bad. From our perspective, it is not bad. Or bad. Not bad or bad. Let me check. Holy shit. Ethereum took stop losses during this wave down. Who is the luckiest guy here? Who is the luckiest guy here? This shit took my stop loss. Exactly. They exactly took my stop loss, and at this moment I think that would be due. That would be skittish. On another account I still have Ethereum trade open, but there's a biggest stop loss and they didn't reach that stop loss. What's going on at this moment? Let's check BTC. Finally volatility came in, and from my point of view BTC could make some at this moment finally rise, because this shakeout still price squeezing back to trend lines. There is no reason at this moment not to break. There's only a reason to break it. Trend line. If some of you stay, like if didn't hit your stop loss, keep it, because once more on one account I have Ethereum trade opened, like this one. I have Ethereum trade open. It didn't reach my stop loss on this account, and I still set take profit here, and it should be here. Because after this local stop loss hunt, there is no reason to do anything, because like after this volume, after this, like if they would want to reach this take profit, better not to be in this trade. About BTC, let's see about this potential trendline breakup. At this moment, everything looks that there could be finally this breakup. Okay. The money spark. My Monday started underground at 7:30 alarm, and it was it was longest alarm that ever happened. 3 hours we were underground. There were several strikes to my city, but we learned how to live with this. Like at this moment when some people complain that something bad happens in your life, at least you don't have rockets on top of you. Like Maxim, героям слава, героям слава. Guys, type into a chat 1 if you still have BTC trade open, and type 2 if you have Ethereum trade open. Let's check how many people here still in our trades: Bitcoin and Ethereum. BTC, have a look. It was additional stop loss hunt. Again, additional volume at bottom. Like at this moment, after this volume reaction up, like just keep your BTC trade, because if after all of this there would be no rise at least into this area, let's take a break for many days. And type 2, if you still in Ethereum trade. Ethereum trade, it's really sad that it exactly took our stop loss. It's really sad for me. On one account, on my, what's the funniest part? On my challenge account, it took stop loss. On accounts that I manage for my client, it didn't take my stop loss, and it's here. Sometimes I just laugh when such shit happens. It's just sad because that could be a really good profit for us. At this moment, even some of you could re-enter if you have desire, if you price took your stop loss. Is it possible to re-enter Ethereum at this moment? Because what's the worst stuff? It's exactly when this volatility happened, internet connection lost, and I couldn't move stop loss. Okay, that's good. I see 1 and 2. Friends, type 3 if you didn't take any trade or you just came into this stream first time. Type 3. Type 3. That's important for me to understand what's going on at this moment, in what condition you are at this moment, and do you take a trade at this moment. If you just came into this stream, what at this moment potentially could be interesting trade for you, it is Ethereum long, because at this moment Ethereum just did additional stop loss hunt. Ethereum did 2 stop loss hunts, and exactly at this moment could be a good place to take local scalp for long, like exactly this one. BTC really close to break this trend line. If BTC would not break it, I would say maybe it would be time to stop trade BTC for some few days. Okay, 10 BTC. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. BTC, big chance at this moment for breakup. Let's see. Let's see it in a footprint. Sometimes it's really interesting to see in a footprint when some breakout happens, because during that time you can see some really beautiful volatility. Because at this moment, what we have really clearly, we have this high, and price squeezed to this high, and volume every time appears at bottom. If after something like this there would be no breakups, that means market, something really strange with market. That's it. Okay, let's do 15 minutes time frame. If some of you see this stuff first time in your life, what you can do on this stream, really simple. You can go to in this stream. You can go and you can firstly download a soft, this one, like this one. You can go and download this soft for you. It is entirely free for crypto. You can download that soft and use to see all this data, where to see significant volume, all of this stuff. Also entirely free, we share with members of our community free trades that we take, like this one. On Ethereum, on a BTC, all of this stuff. What you do, below the stream, you also open, let me, like this one. Here you open this one, link, highest win rate, and you can get free trade ideas, all of this stuff. Andrew, Slava Ukraini from Lithuania. Heroям слава. Thank you, my dear Lithuanian friends. You know that we love all of you, all Baltic states. Because destiny brought us into one boat. At this moment we are in one boat. If Ukraine wins, your country also will be safe. If Ukraine lose, you will be the next. Maxim, if you enter a trade at this moment, like exactly at this moment, this scalp long for Ethereum, it is scalp long. You can enter a trade at this moment. Stop loss would be 1,285. Take profit still below this high, like 1,334.35. That area could be good for entry, for take profit. But let's see what is going to happen with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin still didn't break this trend line. Holy shit. Holy shit. For any additional rise at this moment, we need clear BTC breakup, because that would be only a case in which there could be some rise. Because without BTC, there is no. I do not consider any rise for coins. Okay, let's do 100 squeezing. Scale. Oh no, 100 not, but a 200. Okay, 2200, good. At this moment, there is nothing special by volume on spot market. There is nothing that I could tell. It is really huge, significant volume that at this moment could make a big difference for us. That's why we just wait. Maybe finally there would be some breakup because BTC wait for that breakup for really long period of time. What else really interesting at this moment? Remind to all of you about free lessons. Guys, if you're first time on this YouTube channel, go to first in description, first lesson about what's dominant footprint. Just save these lessons. When I finish the stream, what should you do? Save all of these lessons and watch. It's entirely for free, but you will get understanding soft that we use, what is scalping, best scalping strategies, all of this stuff. Like what I showed to you at this moment, it is for free. You will not need to pay for those lessons. But watch them because what I learned after many years by learning this stuff, you get in small lessons by 5, 6, 7 minutes. Just watch all of them when we finish the stream. Okay, guys, how many of you set take profit and stop losses on both of your trades, BTC and Ethereum? That's the biggest problem at this moment, that BTC too much connected to S&P. At this moment, S&P exactly close to this low. What would be really good if there would be some fake up, a fake breakdown, and only after that breakdown. That's what I would be really happy to see on S&P. At this moment, what at this moment we should do? We set stop losses on BTC and Ethereum. That's it. Because if Ethereum fail or if Bitcoin fails to break this trend line, whole entire market also would go down. But so many confirmations, that must be really powerful movement. What else? What else we should do at this moment, guys? Even if market would be quiet, still there would be some movements into some directions. There is like even this drop like by 3-4%, it is a quiet market. It is not something special. Smart hustle. Friends, at this moment, what I highly recommend you to do, those of you that would like to get trades ideas from me on daily basis, updates, if you have, if you need help from me, like ask questions, trading plans, our scalping signals, Bitcoin updates on daily basis with ideas, video updates, scalping signals with stop loss, entry points, all of this stuff, you can join our community and be a member, because here I exactly share with you trading plans that you can trade. Like we have next sections in the community. First one, it is a trading plans. It is for advanced people that understand our strategies, what we up, all of this stuff. Scalping signals, it is the places where I share exactly our trades, where we set open entries, set stop loss, all of this stuff. Private chat, if you have any help, if you need any help, you have some questions, something like that. Best patterns, it is the trades that made most money to us that you can in the future also trade and make money on it. Swing trades, signals, with the trades that you can keep for a longer period of time. And also trade analysis, it is the new stuff that we do for people that do for people that do trading for far often. Once per 2-3 weeks, we will do analysis of their trades with feedback, video analysis, live call, all of this stuff. If you think this stuff, all of this all together available for you, just what you should do, just use this link, get access private, open Biko private, this one, and fill the form. My team will send you all info. Okay. No. Mostly seems false breakdown at first, Maxim. Let's see. How to add a chart on the right section? What you do? You can move chart. Have a look. You move chart. SKS Kimya. MD 200. I'm long and on ETH and BNB. Good. If BTC at this moment make some rise, believe me, your BNB and ETH just phew. It would be phew. Maxim. Q, what's the target for BTC futures long for short term? I longed at 19K when I should exit. Let me show it to you. There would be 2 targets on BTC. For Bitcoin, set 2 targets. First one, it is here, below this high. I would set exactly below this high. Here, it is this one, 19,540, like this one. It is a first target. Here, you can book at least 25-30%. Second target, it is this one. It is exactly this drop. It goes imbalance. Someone pushed price really deeply down. And that's the second target. It is 20K. Like I would set the take profit, not exactly at 20, a little bit before 19,978, like this one. That would be good for you. Just set 2 targets. First one small here to cover all risk, to be out of any risk. And second set here to make some really significant money, because if price reaches that area, that would be really significant risk reward ratio. Okay, let's see. I could not open that chart. I could not open the chart. How you open the chart? You go here, you open chart. For example, BTC. Let's open BTC futures. You open a chart and you can see your chart like this one. Really awful, not beautiful. First one, what you do, you delete this stuff. Delete. Second part, you open indicators and you delete this one, depth of market. After that, you choose bars, not candles. After that, you go into settings and you take out this horizontal bar. Also, you make your bar a little bit bigger. After that, you go and change background from white to I like a little bit gray because when I work during like long hours, it's difficult always to have white stuff because it's hurt my eyes. And voila, you have a chart. You can do additional settings, and what you can do at this moment, you can add this chart at this moment here. Beautiful. Also, you can add some indicators like this one. You can add like volume indicators. You can add active volume. You can add volume on the chart. Like there's so many indicators here that you can add. I'll record all such lessons about ATAS that will help you. Guys, at this moment, guys and girls, at this moment I have once more, I ask you, as I did many times before, to push like on this video, to subscribe to this channel, and if you really enjoy what we do, below this channel there are a list of videos or even this playlist. If you have a friend at this moment that started his path or her path in trading, what I highly ask you to do, like here, you go to studio, it's not here. What I highly ask you to do, you open this channel, BikoTrading, and there would be a whole playlist. I just ask you to share with such people, with your friends, this Scalping by Dom Footprint and this one playlist for beginners. Believe me, for them it would be a life-changing, especially if they want to be a footprint trader, scalping, because many strategies, approaches we share entirely for free. Because I understand how it's difficult for beginners to start. And I understand that for beginners it's important to see lessons before joining any services and all of this stuff. That's why, like, only if you really enjoy what we do, I ask you to share it with your friends, community, and all of this. About tutorial about this platform, like once per week, I have a list of questions about this platform, and I'll record many tutorials. At this moment, one question to all of you. What is better? One big full tutorial for 1 hour, maybe even bigger, or divide that tutorial by 5-7 lessons to each topics, like one topic, how to download connect exchanges. Second one, how to set up DOM footprint and charts. Another one, how to open trades at stop losses, do volume. Another one maybe with some indicators, all of that stuff. Tell me at this moment, vote into a chat. What is better? One big, like if you think one big full is better, write one. If you think separate, like 5-7 lessons, but divided by each topic, type 5. And vote please, because for me it's important, really, for me it's important. For me, it's important to know, because I record for you this stuff. You will be a people who will watch it. Taras, yes, I do. I use for trades also. I know founders of ATAS and that's the reason they contact me and they propose me cooperation. And because of that, at this moment, what I do, I cover a task, and I just wanna see how it works, all of this stuff, and if everything is good, maybe big chance that we will be partners with Atas. Because they still need a person that will do live trading by using their platform, and for me it's like still we use some platform, we still teach people some platforms, and it would be a mutual benefit for both of our companies. One big with timestamps. Okay, guys and girls, what should we do at this moment? I highly recommend you to keep this trade because there is no reason to close it. About BTC, it's slowly squeezing up. Everything is good, like it's slowly squeezing up. Taras, I will think about this one big. We'll discuss, but like I recorded first one how to set up, how to connect DOM. Soon, like there would be all stuff about that platform. Once more, highly recommend you to keep this trade because everything looks beautiful. There is no reason to close it. Remember to set partial profits because if you are from Ukraine, Europe, Asia, you go to sleep, and if during the night there would be rise, it would take your it would hit your take profit, and you would wake up with nice profit. That's it. And what do you think about tomorrow? Is there something should happen tomorrow? Okay, German inflation. Okay, today, tomorrow. German inflation. What else? USD core inflation. Inflation 1530. There could be some volatility tomorrow based on this. That's it. Ukraine trade balance year to date. Central bank reserves. Maxim, about demo, about all of these questions, it's good question. I will check it. If you have any additional questions about platform, type it. I will check it. About tomorrow, man, everything is in a price. BTC and all coins get dropped even if there must be some drop, I think before that there must be some stop loss hunt of short sellers. That's why set partial profit, and that's it. About Ethereum, guys, what we do about Ethereum? Ethereum take profit is here. Just set one take profit here at below 1338, nearly that area. Also, you can cover some small part if price reach like this area, 1320. That's it. About friends, about price that I expect, as I told you, I do not have really big expectation for Ethereum that would be like trend change, something like that, because as I told you, globally Ethereum in the middle of this range, and sometimes price can do such change without significant volume, like it was here, like this one. Price made this significant drop, and price did reload in a range without some confirmation, something like this. Price started this significant rise. Like this time, could this happen? Like everything is possible in this life, but far more that this global trend down will go on, and far bigger chance that there would be some rise. Only some significant volume at bottom would be good signal for potential rise, and at this moment we don't see it. That's why it's only scalp idea for local rise. That's it. Okay, guys. Remember that I'm really thankful that you came to the streams, that you invested your time in learning the scalping techniques. Only because of you we can become better, because your feedback, your ideas is important for us, and our mission of our company is making your way to financial freedom easier, faster, and more reliable. That's why once more thank you for joining. Do you think we can still go below 18,800? Man, everything is possible. Remember, I'm a trader. I'm not like some psychic, something like that. We trade by analyzing the chart, by all of this, but still we set stop losses. It's like, that means we don't pretend that we know 100% in what case price moves. Our major goal is only one. In a case when we right, make significant more. In a case when we wrong. That's it. How much is private? About private, what you do, you use this form and you write your contacts, and my team will help you with all questions. We have different programs, we have different services, and I cannot take a job from my people. Remember that there are people in our team that wait for your form, that your contact, to speak with you, to propose our services. And at this moment, you just fill that form. They will help you with all these guides. Because I personally, my friend, don't do sales, like direct sales with potential clients for nearly 3 years. And honestly, I don't even know some details in prices, all of this. Like offers, what we propose to clients, I know everything, but prices, my team sometimes change due to working better. That's why just speak with them and they will help you. Trade real money on the table. Man, real money on the table. What about this BTC trade, huh? BTC trade. Another ETH trade. And another BTC trade. Currently, altogether, I'm in 3 BTC at 60,000, 25 ETH It is 25 if multiplied by 1332. Okay, I nearly 100k at this moment in a position. And that's not the day when we at biggest volume. Remember that it is only B patterns, not A. If that would be A, we would at this moment have a position for 500,000. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. Next stream will be within 2 weeks. That's why in our community we will do stream on Friday to analyze our trades, and on next week we will do 2 streams for community members only. Maxim Yuri, what's your win rate? Nearly depends on the month. During good months it is 50%, 55%. During bad months 30%. Like last previous week my win rate was 19%. Like my goal in win rate is 45%. 45 for me really good. With my risk reward that I take in many trades, 45 is good. Okay, guys. Bye and see you again.